AMC Upper Primary Question 25. A bottle with a sealed lid contains some water. The diagram shows this bottle up the right way and upside down. How full is the bottle? We'll start by drawing the bottle. So, so the part which is filled with water is 12 centimeters. Hmm. Now we will draw this the other way around. So this bottle is 15 centimeters full. So both the bottles have 21 centimeters of total length. So to figure out this question, we'll start by converting this 12 centimeters into this units. So 12 units is equal to 12 centimeters. So 12 units, we have to note that down. Now we have to subtract 21 from 15 so that we can get the total space left in the bottle. So 21 minus 15 centimeters gives us 6 centimeters. This is the amount of air left in the bottle, or space left. So we add 6 plus 12, we get 18 units of total of water in the entire bottle, not how much there is right now. So 12 out of 18 units. We have to simplify this. This is 2/3 because 12 divided by 16, 18 divided by 16 equals to 12/3. 2/3. So the answer is 2/3. The final option is D.